Elon Musk reveals how many Cybertrucks Tesla expects to build in Texas. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. And now let's get back to today's story. So Tesla's next big product launch will be the Cybertruck, which is scheduled to enter production late next year at a new factory that's currently under construction in Texas. The company received a flurry of reservations following its eventful unveiling event last November when the Cybertruck's armor glass was embarrassingly broken during a demonstration. Elon Musk told shareholders during the company's Battery Day presentation on Tuesday that the orders for the Cybertruck are gigantic. The Tesla CEO said the company stopped counting the orders, which are technically refundable reservations that require a $100 deposit, but that it has received over 500,000 and maybe 600,000 so far. Answering a shareholder's question about the projected production output for the Sky-Fi style pickup, Musk said he wasn't sure, but that it would be at least a unit volume of 250 to 300,000 a year, maybe more. Musk added that the truck is being developed specifically for North American customers and that a smaller model may be added in the future for foreign markets. Musk said, "We are designing the Cybertruck to meet the American specs, because if you try to design a car to meet all global requirements, basically you can't make the Cybertruck. It's impossible." Tesla currently lists the base rear-wheel drive Cybertruck with a starting price of $39,990, while a top-of-the-line 4x4 model with 500 miles of range and the ability to accelerate to 60 miles per hour in under 2.9 seconds goes for $69,990. Musk did not offer any new technical details about the vehicle at the event, but tweeted that the announcements made about its new lower-cost battery technology would affect long-term production, especially Semi, Cybertruck, and Roadster, but that high-volume production of the cells wouldn't be achieved until 2022.